Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here below 14, and then all of a sudden the price managed to close up there above 1650, any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very, very nice bounce. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $14. And let's just call it then $15. We'll round up a little bit. So why is $15 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 15. If the price were to go down to 15 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal perspective, it would be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it went to those and was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here. However, in this situation, behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 15. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial area of resistance and where the sellers seem to be hanging out is right up there around $17.75. If the price can push up through that level, then the next key overarching area to watch is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself further and further downwards and get more and more relevant because I get it right now, the price is down there and that line's way up there. But like I said, keyword being moving, so that line will move and get more and more relevant as the week plays out. So overall, though, anyway, look at it, very impressive bounce. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this bounce going forward? Let's see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.